channel. My name is Sarah.
And I'm Josh.
Josh&Sarah.
And today we're going to be opening
This
unicorn hairbrush set.
hairbrush. So we can put some rubber in it.
And the box, it's from who?
The Cheryl.
Cheryl.
Cheryl. Okay, how do we open it?
Wait, first,
Oh.
what's inside? Inside it includes 4 unicorns, a brush, 1 comb, and 10 rubber bands. So you can do its hair.
And unicorn.
Even with the brush.
And comb.
So this is a Kid Connection unicorn set. And it says that it's only for 3 and up, but I think Sarah's still gonna like it because it has a brush. And do you remember her Elsa styling doll from Christmas? So maybe she can like this. She might like this too because she can brush the hair.
Come on, let's open
And
it.
she also likes unicorns.
Okay, how do we just unbox it?
Okay, let's open it.
Okay.
I think we need to get the other part of the top off. Oh, wait, look, scissors. Okay. No, unicorn. With legs.
It's really hard. Okay. We got the fractions out.
Wait, there's the unicorn out.
Oh, I think something is stuck over here. The box includes 4 unicorns, 2 brush, coat and the brush, and a rubber band so we can tie them. So, look! Oh look, your unicorn. Me too. My pajamas.
Okay, you want to play with it?
Yeah.
Have you brushed your hair?
We'll use this brush. Okay. It's working.
And the rubber bands, you can use them for the hair. Want to try the rubber bands?
Wait. Now I have to. And now I have to. These are really good.
They are stretchy.
Ah, look at that.
These rubber bands are hard to put onto the unicorn. There's that. And I can't even put it on Sarah's hair because they're so small.
I think these are good because we can. They're soft and them.
They're really soft and squishy,
Squishy and brushable.
Do they look like what you watched, My Little Pony?
Yeah, and this is Pinkie Pie, Twilight, Rainbow Dash, and I don't know who's it. Until I had to watch My Little Pony, so I know who's that. Thank you, Tita Sarah. I really like it.
And if you like My Little Pony too, or you have this Kid Connections unicorn playset, you can put that in the comments down below. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button down below. I hope you enjoy our video. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.